This video is about properly converting a Revit model to an STL file type for 3D printing. I expect that you have some basic understanding of Revit and 3D printing. I've been using Cura and Ultimaker for my prints. Here's a project that I'm going to use for demonstration. First, you need to take a copy of your file. Never use the one you're working with because it will ruin it. Second, you should decide what scale you want your print to be in. Check the printable build plate area of your printer and from that figure out how it will fit in. To make your model ready for print, get rid of all the extra stuff you don't need, like what I'm going to show you here. If you go in and look, there's a lot of stuff that you're not gonna want to be printed or need to be printed or might even mess up while the printer is printing it because it's too small and too detailed. Well, it all depends on the scale, but your scale is probably going to be so that it will not make sense to print that. To turn these things off, just go to Visibility Graphics or VG, select everything and uncheck it, and then you want to check back in the things that you want to actually be printed. Walls, windows, doors, roofs, floors, and then you've cleared your model of a bunch of stuff. One thing I like to do is make an extra wall behind where I have external windows and doors. So you want to just duplicate this so you have a double wall, and all the windows came with, so you want to delete those, and unfortunately you just have to select them and delete them, and then you have your finished wall behind and these windows. And let's imagine that we've done this for all the doors, all the windows, where you have some sort of different finish in the exterior. VT again, windows, turn them off, and I also turn off the doors, but this is just a short demo. So here you have what it will look like on the 3D print, just a basic square, and go up, and you need to do this for the scale as well. And then you need to go to add-ins. This here is an STL exporter for Revit. You can download this for free, and you just click it. I prefer to use millimeters. It's also possible to use feet. Save, and just select one folder, 01, 0. Okay, when we have our STL file, we just open it in Cura. And you see here, it sends a message that it doesn't fit. So you need to right click, select all models, change the scale. You need to calculate the scale as a percentage, but we can try something here. 0.2 seems to fit. And you can see your build plate is a little bit lighter here for your printer. And over here are our windows with the extra wall in. And here we missed one, but that doesn't really matter. So that was it. Revit to STL.